Where in the human body would the limbic system be found? In the brain. What is the most common blood type in the world? O+. What is the liquid part of blood called? Plasma. What is the basic unit of life? The cell. What is the process by which cells divide to produce two identical daughter cells? Mitosis. What is the long pipe's name that moves food from the back of the throat down to the stomach? The esophagus. What organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Mitochondria. What are the building blocks of proteins? Amino acids. What is the molecule that carries genetic information in most organisms? DNA. What is the study of heredity and the variation of inherited traits called? Genetics. What is the name of the process by which plants produce their own food using sunlight? Photosynthesis. What is the term for an organism that consists of a single cell? Unicellular organism. What are the thread-like structures inside the nucleus that carry genetic information? Chromosomes. What is the term for animals that regulate their body temperature internally? Endotherms. What is the name of the sugar produced during photosynthesis? Glucose. What type of blood cells help the body fight infections? White blood cells. What is the main structural component of plant cell walls? Cellulose. What is the scientific study of plants called? Botany. What is the name of the group of bones that make up the spine? Vertebrae. What organ in the human body is responsible for detoxification? The liver. What are the small pores on the surface of leaves used for gas exchange called? Stomata. What is the name of the pigment responsible for the green color of plants? Chlorophyll. What is the process by which an organism maintains a stable internal environment? Homeostasis. What type of reproduction involves a single parent producing identical offspring? Asexual reproduction. What is the term for a community of organisms and their physical environment interacting? Ecosystem. What is the name of the protein that speeds up chemical reactions in the body? Enzyme. What is the primary function of the root system in plants? To absorb water and nutrients. What are the tiny hair-like structures on the surface of cells that help in movement called? Cilia. What is the term for an organism that feeds on dead or decaying material? Decomposer. What is the main function of the xylem in plants? To transport water and minerals. What is the study of animals called? Zoology. What is the term for the protective outer layer of skin in humans? Epidermis. What is the function of red blood cells? To transport oxygen throughout the body. What is the process of creating RNA from DNA called? Transcription. What is the name of the structure that protects and surrounds a plant cell? Cell wall. What is the name of the male gamete in animals? Sperm. What type of blood vessels carry blood away from the heart? Arteries. What is the term for the movement of water across a semi-permeable membrane? Osmosis. What is the term for the process by which organisms produce offspring? Reproduction. What is the term for the variety of living organisms in a specific area? Biodiversity. What type of tissue connects bones to muscles? Tendons. What is the study of microscopic organisms called? Microbiology. What is the name of the process by which plants lose water through their leaves? Transpiration. What is the primary organ of the respiratory system? The lungs. What is the name of the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen? Hemoglobin. What is the term for organisms that make their own food? Autotrophs. What is the basic structural and functional unit of the nervous system? Neuron. What is the part of the human skeleton that protects the heart and lungs? Rib cage. What is the name of the smallest blood vessels in the human body? Capillaries. What is the longest bone in the human body?